Could we be on the brink of a major crypto breakthrough?
We have collected insights from leading voices like Elon Musk and Ben Armstrong to keep you updated.
And you'll get all these key takeaways swiftly.
Exactly. Discover why experts are predicting a Bitcoin rally and what altcoins are on the rise.
Welcome to Financial Insights in Minutes, where we provide concise updates on cryptocurrency.
Stay tuned as we explore potential game changers in this evolving market landscape.
And right after this, we will take a look at how Musk's vision could revolutionize finance. Elon Musk has always pushed the envelope with technology. But what if his various companies are all part of a grander scheme?
It definitely seems like Elon is paving the way for an all-in-one platform that encompasses everything from AI to interstellar travel.
The core of this video focused on Musk's plan for an everything app. How does that actually work?
It's about blending functionalities of social networking, payments, and AI into one cohesive platform.
So it's not just tech for tech's sake, but about enhancing our daily experiences.
Exactly, it's a conceptual leap toward total integration of our online lives.
Let's talk about X.com. What's its role in Musk's future plans?
X.com's evolution from online banking to social media is foundational for the Everything app.
Why is XAI such a pivotal part of this vision?
It isn't just about AI, it's about making reliable AI systems for everyday functions.
And X payments. How does that fit into the overall picture?
It's designed to be the payment infrastructure of the Everything app, making transactions seamless.
Musk is also looking at air travel. What's the scoop on the supersonic jet?
It could redefine global travel, potentially flying from NYC to London in under 3 hours.
Starlink's impact appears vital. How does it enhance this app vision?
Starlink ensures connectivity across global regions, a must for Musk's Everything app.
What's the bigger picture for this integrated environment?
Musk envisions AI taking the wheel, managing everything from finance to travel.
With Bezos in the mix, how does Musk maintain an edge?
Musk's agility and vision in AI gives him an advantage over Bezos's infrastructural might.
To recap, what's the key takeaway from Musk's multifaceted approach?
We're on the brink of a world where everything is interconnected. We need to prepare for that.
As Trump takes center stage again, Bitcoin isn't wasting any time. It's shooting to an all-time high. What a fantastic day for crypto.
Absolutely. It seems like the market is riding high on all this excitement, doesn't it?
So what's driving this surge? Why now?
It's all about sentiment. Investors are optimistic about Trump's potential economic policies, and it's translating to major gains.
That optimism really does tend to stir the market, doesn't it?
Definitely. It's like a wave. When confidence builds, everyone wants to ride it.
Bitcoin has surpassed the $75,000 mark. What a sight!
And it doesn't stop there. Altcoins are also thriving, with some even hitting 30% increases today.
Political changes can really influence market sentiment, right?
Exactly. Trump's policies might lead to favorable conditions for growth in crypto.
That's wild. A huge number of shorts liquidated yesterday.
It creates room for more gains. As those shorts get squeezed, Bitcoin rallies even further.
What predictions are floating around for Bitcoin price?
There's talk about hitting $100,000 by December, which feels very achievable with the current momentum.
So what's the buzz around Bitcoin's future price?
Some are eyeing $100,000 by December, while others believe it could even hit over $300,000 in the next cycle.
What about altcoins? Are we seeing signs of an upcoming season?
Absolutely. If Bitcoin continues climbing, altcoins will likely rally right alongside it.
With all we've discussed, what's the key takeaway for viewers?
It's all about staying informed and ready to act. This market is altering rapidly.
Indeed, it's essential to seize opportunities while being aware of risks.
That's the essence of crypto investing today. Embrace the wave, but stay grounded.
With Trump's victory, we're tuning into how his presidency will affect altcoins and the crypto landscape.
Absolutely. Even though Bitcoin is slightly underwhelming in response, the altcoins are showing significant promise.
What's the core thesis emerging from these market movements?
Trump's presidency is perceived as favorable for crypto, leading to speculations of a substantial altcoin rally in the near future.
Interesting. But what indicators are hinting at this potential surge?
We're seeing unprecedented enthusiasm around DeFi tokens alongside a resetting of market expectations post-election.
So how did the market react initially?
Despite the excitement, Bitcoin only edged above its previous all-time high, not the soaring spike many anticipated.
But what about the altcoins? They seem more promising.
Exactly. Many have shown remarkable gains, hinting at a new wave of investment opportunities.
What role does investor sentiment play in this scenario?
It's critical. Optimistic sentiment can fuel further investment, creating a bullish cycle.
What are the predictions regarding altcoins?
The bullish outlook suggests a potential rally across several altcoins, especially those in DeFi.
And what about Bitcoin's trajectory moving forward?
While it may take time to break new highs, a significant uptrend is likely as sentiment stabilizes.
To wrap things up, what's the main takeaway for our viewers?
Stay alert and ready. While the market adjusts, altcoins could offer explosive opportunities.
The evolving landscape under Trump might just set the stage for groundbreaking movements in crypto.
Certainly, it's an exciting time to watch the crypto market unfold.
In today's exhilarating commentary, we unravel how recent election results are spurring a bullish sentiment in the crypto market. It's been quite a week.
Absolutely. Investors are buzzing with enthusiasm, especially with Bitcoin breaking out alongside altcoins like Solana.
But what's the core thesis here?
The elections have positioned pro-crypto politicians, which Ivan believes will lead to a more favorable regulatory environment.
So this could be pivotal for Bitcoin, right?
Definitely. This newfound support might propel Bitcoin to unprecedented heights.
The election has resulted in an unexpected Bitcoin surge. How significant is this?
It's massive. Bitcoin is experiencing a bullish breakout, signaling investor confidence.
How are altcoins reacting to this bullish trend?
Solana is really taking the spotlight, outperforming not just Bitcoin, but others like Ethereum.
What is the overall mood among investors?
Everyone's feeling bullish, discussing strategies to capitalize on this momentum.
Ivan expects Bitcoin to soar even higher. What's driving this?
The political mood shift represents a substantial catalyst for price hikes. Everything's aligning for Bitcoin.
What about Solana's trajectory?
Elon and the new political environment might give Solana the push it needs to surge further.
So summing it all up, what's the takeaway for our viewers?
Seize the moment. Now is the time to act and capitalize on this bullish momentum.
Looks like the momentum is on our side.
Exactly. Let's ride this wave and keep our eyes peeled for the next developments.
Let's dive into Benjamin Cowen's take on how the US presidential election might affect Bitcoin. Grab your charts.
Cowen refrains from mixing politics with crypto, focusing instead on data-driven analysis.
What's the main takeaway from his analysis?
He posits that Bitcoin's success is independent of presidential outcomes, a sentiment rooted in Bitcoin's history.
So regardless of party, Bitcoin thrives?
Exactly. The long-term growth hinges on broader market factors rather than who sits in the White House.
How does the election influence Bitcoin in the short term?
Historically, immediate reactions can vary, but long-term success persists.
Cowen discusses cycles in election years. What's the pattern?
Typically, Bitcoin sees gains in Q4 of election years. It seems consistent.
What should we know about Ethereum's performance affecting Bitcoin?
If Ethereum stumbles, Bitcoin's rally might be hindered. They're closely linked.
Cowen highlights the volatility in investor sentiment. Should traders be worried?
Definitely. Emotional trading can influence decisions, leading to unpredictable market moves.
Any predictions for Bitcoin post-election?
Historically, Bitcoin often rises within months after election results. Cowen expects a similar trend.
What about potential market reactions during the election?
Cowen warns of possible volatility, advising traders to look for actionable strategies.
What's the bottom line for viewers?
Ultimately, despite political distractions, Bitcoin stands on its own. Long-term investors should stay focused.
A great reminder that history can guide future strategies.
Absolutely. It's all about approaching the market with patience and insight.
What an insightful discussion we've had today, exploring how recent political changes are shaking up the cryptocurrency landscape.
Absolutely. Benjamin Cowen reminded us that Bitcoin's fortunes may not be entirely tied to the political realm.
Right. Meanwhile, Ivan Liljeqvist and George Tung highlighted how Bitcoin and altcoins are riding this wave of sentiment quite well.
And let's not forget Rand Neuner's take that Trump's election could indicate a rally ahead for certain coins. Exciting times.
Elon Musk's visionary perspective also added a unique flavor, combining finance with technology in ways we hadn't imagined.
Indeed, folks. It's an exhilarating time for crypto enthusiasts, as we've seen intriguing connections between politics and market movements.
If you found this discussion valuable, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.
Stay tuned for our next episode, where we delve even deeper into the implications of these insights. You won't want to miss it.
Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to explore more of our analysis on the channel.